I'm John Blunt with Seattle's own IsGood Woodworks. In this spring, we're working with Louis Winters to build instruments for his science fair project at Catherine Blaine Middle School here in Seattle.
I'm testing the amplitude produced by acoustic chambers of equal volume and area in different geometric shapes. I will be making 2 chambers, each of a triangle, square, and a circle. I will also be making a base with an elevated string to hold each chamber so that I can test and compare amplitude produced by each chamber. I think we should go with the 12-inch diameter instead of with the 12-inch diameter with the 60-inch length, so we have more to work with.